Hello guys, so this session is basically for how to create a stream from an array. So for that I already created a project over here and I am using IntelliJ IDEA. So under this project I created a package called stream demo, and under this I am going to create a class stream demo 1. First we have to write a main method. After writing main method, let it be empty. Now I will create one static method, public static void convert array to stream. This is my method. Under this what I will do, I will take an integer array, integer array 10, 50, 30, 20. This is my integer array, and what I need to do, I have to take this array related value into the stream. So I should have, let me take the value from an array to stream. So for that we should have a method in the stream library that is called off method, stream dot off, and here I will provide the value, and this method has to return the stream of an integer array. So stream of an integer stream equal to this, right? Now all the information that is available inside this array reference will come into this stream. So once this stream is having all the value, what I need to do, I have to process these elements one by one. So for that we have to use another method which is available in the library, that is known as for each method. So stream dot for each, and under this you can take a reference. So what this for each method is saying, that we are going to visit each element one by one. So all the information is available inside this stream object. So what we need to provide under the for each, we have to provide a reference. Reference can be anything, like a name, right? So values, I can say values, and use the lambda expression system.out.println values, right? So this is the way through which you can convert the array to stream. So now all the information is available inside this values, and we are printing this values, right? So I will use this method over here because this is an static method, and let me run this particular program. Let us see what is the output. So you can find the output is 10, 50, 30 and 20 as per expectation. So what is our value that is available inside the array, the similar way it is printing, right? So guys, this is the way through which you can convert an array to stream. Guys, if you are finding this video is helpful, then you can go ahead and subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for your time, and thanks a lot.